Hey guys, I was out shopping today and I found my first Torani syrup, chocolate chip cookie dough. I don't normally like syrups that aren't of real things um, because I just don't trust fake flavoring. Like, if it's vanilla syrup, it could be from vanilla beans. You know, if it's caramel, it could be from butter and sugar, which is what you make caramel of. But there's no ground up cookies in there, I'm sure of it. So, normally I wouldn't buy this type of syrup, but it was the only one they had. I wanted to try a Torani, and I looked at some brief reviews, and it got really good reviews. So let's give it a try. I've got the Moka Pot on the stove. We're using that right now. We have not gotten back to the Nespresso yet. I will go back to the Nespresso. Just not yet. I put a little bit too much milk in there, so I'm going to drink some. Okay. I can hear the Moka Pot working. This is hard to open. It's got like one of those mouthwash seals on it, you know? There's the mouthwash seal. I'm working my way off of it. Why is this being so difficult? I'm going to try to find some more Toranis depending on how much they cost. Because, okay, well the Moka Pot's ready. Let's take that off. Let's put about half of it in there. Half of it in there. Gonna have to decide what to do with the second shot. Haven't decided yet. I just knew that obviously. Okay, so there we go. Got the lid off finally. One, two, three, four. It smells like cookies, I'll give it that. I'm not going to say that it smells good or bad because a syrup that smells like cookies is suspicious to me. But it does in fact smell like cookies. Let's see, that's what I should compare it to, the toasted marshmallow. That's what I'll compare it to. Which is another fake one that I wouldn't normally buy. But I did because somebody gave it to me, so I guess I didn't buy it. I tried. So it's one that I normally wouldn't try, but I did because somebody gave it to me. So we're just gonna wait on the machine. I guess I can pause the video until the machine's done. Okay. Smells like, I don't know. I'm skeptical about it being kind of fake. Okay, it's not bad. I don't know that I would buy it again, but it's not bad. I'll put it up there with the apple butter, which I had a similar response to. Might work better in a cold drink. I think I could probably make a cold beverage. Okay, we're going to compare it to toasted marshmallow. One, two, 3, 4. I say it could be a discrepancy in the way I'm brewing the coffee. I did not get much coffee flavor. Let me just taste it again. Not bad, definitely overwhelming. Okay, I'm going to pause the video while the frother frothes. Okay. So let us... That's toasted marshmallow there. On the other side... Where's my spoon? Toasted marshmallow, chocolate chip cookie dough. Toasted marshmallow wins only because it lets a little more of the coffee flavor through. It's a little more subtle. They're similar. They're very similar. So whatever, let's just see what the ingredients say on here. Sugar, water, natural and artificial flavors, preservatives. So, yeah. Okay. So, I guess I should come up with a rating system because, let's do what I always do. See if they're better or worse together. That's a lot. I would not do both together. That is many things. Okay. Well, thanks for watching.